Hey friends, today I'm here to talk a little bit about InfiniData Academy. At InfiniData Academy, the journey to create our data science program has been deeply personal. As a data scientist who has faced immense challenge in this field, I know firsthand the dedication and practice it takes to become industry ready. So that's why we have poured our heart and soul into developing a curriculum that not only imparts knowledge but also emphasizing on practical application and real world application of data science. With collaboration of several industry experts, we have gathered valuable insights and piece by piece shaped a program that truly meets all your needs. Our mission is to transform aspiring data scientists into professionals who are equipped to thrive in the real world. At InfiniData Academy, we are committed to working with you every step of the way, offering you personalized attention through small class sizes and addressing all your questions and queries. We believe in supporting your career journey comprehensively, which is why we provide ongoing career counseling. To help you get a feel for our approach, we also offer you free demo session. Join us at InfiniData Academy and together let's decode the world of data science and pave your path to success.